Is Google refusing to send you the recovery code? Is your account recovery failing again and again? Or is Google saying, try again later, or we can't verify it's you? In this video, I'm going to show you every working method to fix Google account recovery in 2025, step by step, no matter which problem you're facing. Welcome back to Mendit Tech, your go-to place for fixing the tech issues nobody explains properly. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get your Google account back, even if nothing else has worked. This part is crucial. If you skip this, your recovery might keep failing. Google blocks your recovery mainly because of 1. Suspicious device, new phone, new IP, VPN, or unknown location. 2. Wrong recovery option, choosing options Google doesn't trust. 3. Outdated recovery info, old email or number. 4. Too many recovery attempts. 5. Security hold after unusual activity. Whenever Google feels this doesn't look like the real owner, it refuses recovery automatically. Now, let's fix this. Fix number 1. Use the correct recovery option. Most people choose the wrong path during recovery. Let me show you the correct one. When Google asks, enter last password, enter any old password you remember. It doesn't have to be correct. Google uses this as a trust signal. If it asks get code on phone, email, and you can't access it, tap try another way. Keep choosing try another way until Google gives you an option you can actually use. This increases your chances of verification. Fix number 2. Make Google trust your device. This is the number 1 reason recovery fails. Google thinks you're using a suspicious device. Do this exactly. First, connect to your home Wi-Fi. Second, turn location on. Third, use the same device you always used with your Google account. Fourth, turn off VPN or proxies. Fifth, make sure your phone number SIM is inserted. Sixth, restart your device. Now, try recovery again. This tells Google, this is my real device and location. Trust score instantly improves. Fix number 3. Use Google's official recovery link. Go to this official link, g.co/recovery. Enter your email and follow the steps. If you don't get the code, tap try another way. Google will ask questions. You don't need perfect answers, just honest ones. Google checks your device history, browsing patterns, login habits, and location consistency. Not perfection, just patterns. Fix number 4. Recovery code not coming. If codes aren't arriving, 1. Turn off VPN. 2. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. 3. Remove call or SMS blocking apps. 4. Check spam folder in email. 5. Try at a different time of day. 6. Use the try another way loop to get backup options. Sometimes Google delays codes when unusual activity is detected. Fix number 5. Google's 24 to 72 hour verification. If Google says, we need 24 to 72 hours to verify, that's good news. This means Google is checking whether the device and location match your past usage. During this time, don't retry recovery again. It resets the timer. Keep your email active. Wait for Google's confirmation message. 99% of genuine accounts recover in this window. Fix number 6. Google's final recovery form. If nothing works, use Google's final verification form, g.co/recovery form. Here you must enter last time you used the account, devices you used earlier, recovery email you can access, locations you signed in from, whether you still have your old phone. This gives Google maximum proof you are the real owner. Fix number 7. Prevent future lockouts. Once you recover your account, do this immediately. 1. Add 2 recovery emails. 2. Add 2 recovery numbers. 3. Enable 2-step verification. 4. Add an authenticator app. 5. Download backup codes. 6. Turn on advanced protection. Optional. Your account will never get locked again. If your problem is different, code not coming, number lost, email forgotten, hacked account, or verification stuck, drop your issue in the comments. I'll make a separate detailed video for your exact problem. This is Mendit Tech, fixing your tech problems one video at a time.